कोअपरेटिभ सोसाइटी हजुरहरूको हजुर छलमताङ हाम्रो एकदमै छिटोभन्दा छिटो हाम्रो वर्कसप हुनेवाला छ टुरिज्मको कम्युनिटी बेस्ड टुरिज्ममा एन्ड निड एसेसमेन्टको बारेमा छलमताङ भनिहाल्नु भयो सो तपाईँहरूकोबाट म एक दुईवटा इनपुट्स अहिले एकछिनमा आएर बिकज वी हेभ टु अर्गनाइज वर्कसप हाम्रो रविन सेवा साहबको जुरिडिक्सनको चाहिँ एन्ड नाम्ची टुरिज्म डेभलपमेन्ट कोअपरेटिभ सोसाइटी मिस्टर सचिन
तपाईँको मजाले ब्लग्सहरू चलिरहेको हुन्छ है अन्त तपाईँले हामीलाई पनि प्रमोट गरिदिनुहोस् हेल्प गरिदिनुहोस् नाम्चीमा 10वटा जस्तो पोइन्ट छ 3टा भनेर चाहिँ स्किप नभइदियोस् त्यही भन्न चाहन्छु हामी चाहिँ
तपाईँले भन्नुहुँदैछ नि अब 3टा भएर स्किप नगरिदिनु मैले चाहिँ के सोध्छु भन्दाखेरि नाम्चीमा एटलिस्ट इफ नट 2 नाइट्स 3 नाइट्स एटलिस्ट ओभरनाइट स्टे टुरिज्म ल्याउनु बहुतै जरुरी छ बिकज नाम्चीलाई चाहिँ चारधाम हेऱ्यो सन्दुप्ची हेऱ्यो त्यहाँबाट स्किप गरेर उता पेलिङतिर कतातिर लाने प्रथा छ सो त्यसलाई चेन्ज गर्नु एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट मैले देखिरहेको छु सो वाट यु फिल लाइक वाट यु हेभ टु से अबाउट द्याट
लाइक बेसिकली वी हेभ अ पोटेन्सियल अब तपाईँको 2 नाइटसम्म स्टे गराउनु सक्छ हामीले बट इज लाइक पहिलादेखि एउटा भाया भन्ने कुरा जुन चाहिँ जन्मिएको छ नि त्यसले गर्दा अलिकति हामी साह्रो पर्दैछ तर बट स्टिल हामीले बिस्तारै बिस्तारै गर्छ डेभलप गरेर वी क्यान डु द्याट
डोन्ट यु थिङ्क द्याट दिस इज द निड अफ द आवर द्याट भाया नाम्ची सुड बी एबोलिस्ड पर्मानेन्टली
एकदमै तपाईँले जुन चाहिँ भन्नुहुँदैन त्यसका लागि हामी खटिरहेको छौँ र तपाईँहरू जस्तोको साथ पायो भने हामी कन्फर्म गरेर दिएको छौँ
थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच बेस्ट अफ लक सचिनज्यू थ्याङ्क यू Well, we have Go Chakung Tourism Development Association, Adventure and Soaring in Chakung. So, यहाँ को हमरो main contact, Mr. Abhishek. Abhishek जी, तब एक बड़ा मतलब, can I have a word about your Go Chakung, please? Come. Sure.
Okay, sir, like what you can see out here is a very miniature version of our camping setup. So, like I've already shared before, what we do is like we provide authentic camping experience on per night basis to groups of tourists, minimum 5 and above. So, what we do is like we have not only provide authentic camping experience, but we provide adventure spots along with it. For example, there is MTB rides that we can provide. There is a spot of bouldering that we can provide. Paragliding can also be done from our place. So these kind of things like day hikes, trekkings, view of Mount Kanchenjunga. At the same time, there are towers where you can have panoramic views of hills in and around. That is especially from Chakung.
So in past days, like I was always talking about Soaring Chakung to be identified as adventure zone for Sikkim.
Yes.
So how do you consider that?
That is what we're working on. That is our USP. The unique selling point of Soaring Chakung in the future is going to be adventure sports, and that is what we are promoting. We've been doing that since the last 5 years, and gradually we're making progress step by step. Our Honorable CM, at the same time, our main patron, that is Aditya Gole sir, our area MLA, has been with us throughout this journey, and he has supported us in-depthly, so we're very grateful to that also, and hope like he supports us in the future as well. So as you can see this, like we're making progress step by step. At the same time, I'd like to thank Sikkim Inspires also, who've been there with us from this year, who've been promoting and helping us in various ways.
Recently, like I mean, we got to know that like you have launched a campsite.
Yes.
So would you like to give some message regarding the campsite?
Yes, it's called Camp Chakung. So what we do is like we curate packages as according to the customers. Like I said before, like 5 or above groups, like we can take up to 15 people. What we do is that once you want to get away from the hassle of your daily habits, you want to sit in a campsite in a beautiful place. That's what we provide with hassle free. That means like we are going to set up the tent, we are going to set up the camp, we are going to set up the food, dinner, breakfast for you. All you need to do is you need to come and enjoy.
So basically the camping will be on a kind of AP plan.
Yes, sir. Kind of like that.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Hope to see you soon.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
6 generations in tales they've sown. Feel the earth beneath your feet.